This is actually the state of my favorite highlighter at this moment. It's heartbreaking because it was really my favorite one. Let's fix it in a couple of minutes without any alcohol, because a lot of tutorials use alcohol, but here no alcohol needed. We can fix with no extra tools. All we need you already have in your home.
You can use a knife or maybe something like a nail tool. Of course, if you're going to use something like that, please clean it. I'm using alcohol here, and now you have to actually break everything else. Yes, trust the process. We are going to break everything in a very fine powder. You should break even the parts that are actually whole. If the makeup you're fixing is a big powder, it can take some time until you break everything, but it will be definitely worth it. Now, all you have to do is get something to press the powder. You can put in a little plastic bag and just press it for 5 to 10 seconds, and you will see the magic happens. All you have to do is press all over the powder and repeat the process until everything is done. And there we go. Now we have to clean it. You can use a little makeup brush with some makeup remover to clean it all. And there we have it. Everything is ready and new like before. You can see I'm getting up. It's not falling anything. Everything is simply perfect.
Well, at least now we can fix our makeup heartbreaks. At least this one is easily fixed. Now, if you want to learn more about skincare, watch this next video where I will tell you about the 7 dangerous skincare mistakes that you can be making and how to fix them.